Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about Dermalogica Skin Smoothing Cream. Moisturisers today need to do more than just replace hydration. To have healthy looking skin, you need to have a barrier protection and a good balance of hydration. If you don't, then all sorts of problems occur. Your skin will start to look dull and lifeless. The lines that you already have will look even deeper. The aging process will also accelerate. So what Dermalogica have done, have updated and reformulated their hero product, the Skin Smoothing Cream, with the new technology called New Active Hydra Mesh technology. It infuses the skin with 48 hours of continuous hydration. With the help of hyaluronic acid, it will be drawing in all the moisture and holding it in. It will distribute the hydration evenly throughout your skin. Other benefits to this includes protection against environmental stress, that being pollution, air conditioning, heating, etc. It will leave your skin feeling soft and supple. Lines will appear finer and smoother, and makeup will go on much smoother. Your skin will look and feel brighter and a whole lot more alive. So the Skin Smoothing Cream is great for a dry, dehydrated and a combination skin. After you've cleansed and toned your skin, put a small amount onto your fingertips and apply to your face, your neck and your décolletage. And just a little tip, when applying to your neck, always in upward movements. Now the Skin Smoothing Cream can be used day and or night. So Skin Smoothing Cream works great with any of your favourite serums. Also, don't forget during the day to make sure that you use your favourite Dermalogica SPF over the top of your Skin Smoothing Cream. So if you would like to purchase the Skin Smoothing Cream or receive a free sample, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au.